everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers. Today, I would like to say something about cheating. Men they cheat on women, women they cheat on men. But sometimes people go say whether tradition or not dey, why be say na only men they cheat on women and the tradition not dey hold them. So many people they talk about this thing. Say not be only men God create both men and women, but why be say the law dey always dey affect the women. But these days not so again. Women dey cheat. Okay, like one of my videos, I mentioned something about nothing lasts forever, lies in marriages. So if you never look that video, go back, check for that video. You go see wetin I dey talk. I wan try talk about now. How woman wey dey husband house, this thing dey happen not only for Europe. People dey say this thing no fit happen for Europe. Say na only Africa this thing dey happen, or na this kind thing dey exist. Say because Africa, when the women do that to cheat on the men, traditional something go hold the women. But not so again. This particular story when I want to talk about is just look the pictures of these women. I don't call their names, but look the pictures. You go see how this man dey with these two children. How happy, or see the smile, the joy wey dey this man face. But this man no know say these children when him think or when him feel say na him get am, not knowing say not him own, say na him wife children when he get from another man, him director of him office, na pregnant this woman. Not one, not, you imagine how you born one from this man and you the man no know say this pikin not your own. The second one enter again and you dey claim say na your own. Make viewers look this thing well and look these pictures again. You go think, you yourself go dey imagine how you this man no fit know say these children not be his own. The man dark in complexion while the children light, and the father of the children light. The man no ask where these children this color from come. The man supposed to know, but why the man no fit talk, no fit get that move? Because the woman don't brainwash the man with the artificial love when he gets. Even if anybody now won't try tell this man say Mr. this pikin get as e be, see the color, see the man no go fit know, because even if he know, he no go fit act, he no go fit do anything, because the wife, like I said, don't brainwash the man with the artificial love which they give the man. Just because of the love when the man gets, he no go wan listen to anybody wey won't come talk put for that matter. The man go he go cut the man off. The person go be enemy to the man, because the man now go be the last person to see the mistake when his wife they do. But the thing surprised me too much. Say years come, this man no still fit talk, no fit open mouth to say this pikin, these children, and they not even 1, not even 2 years, not even 3 years. This man no still fit. Something they go wrong. Something they go wrong. For years, this pikin don't deal with you. You no fit know. That thing dey very surprising. I fit put am this way. Say it is very, very surprising. How you man, unless something they go wrong, when nobody go fit talk now. The only person who go fit answer this question now be this woman. Now till when this woman travel with the children, because the woman don dey see say problem must come later. That problem will not come. That is maybe the real father of the children want claiming children. See, go fit tell the woman say no, he no go fit accept make somebody they take off his children when in they alive. So that thing go fit make lead when make the woman take the children say in they go vacation. This woman run with the children. with the name of vacation. Take the two children, travel. When he reach there, when the man see say time don reach, when the children go supposed to come back, the woman supposed to come back, na there the woman tell the man say it's all over. Say those children not your own. But how you feel? Say now the man call her. This woman, how much she dey receive for work when she get? If you look this woman picture, look her very well, you go say this woman no be woman wey dey suffer for stress. No, this woman na woman wey be say dey enjoy. But why she dey flirt? Why she dey cheat on im poor husband? Why? You get one, as if that is not enough. You get the second one. That means something dey go wrong for the matrimonial home. When be say you get two children, okay, where the real pikin wey you wan give your husband now? When you don get two outside, where the one wey you wan give your real husband? So viewers, think this thing very well. Think am. How man go dey you marry woman, the woman no give you anything. He give man outside. I put am in lover outside, two children, and your husband dey help you take care of the kids. For me, I feel say something not dey right from this situation. They take care of the two children. Now, when the woman or maybe the father of the children now want claim the children, now this woman get sharp, talk say he want go vacation with the children because they travel out before, they go around the world. He tell his husband say it's all over. These kids or these children say not your own. So this thing now break this man down, give this man heart failure. But people they say give this man heart failure. But sometimes like this, when this thing happen, they no fit know whether na shock kill the man or na heart problem. They just say na heart problem. Okay, why can't be say now when this woman tell the man say it's all over, now this man can't die? Why? Why this man not think all these things, all this why? You think say one person, no, don't tell this man say, look these children, how they behave. See how they see the color. You think say one person for these years when these children dey, you think say one person no don't tell this man this thing? No. One person, at least one or two or three, but don't tell this man say, look these children, they don't they behave, they don't take anything from you. One person go don't tell this man. But this man just give up like this, just die like this. So sometimes we dey talk say tradition dey, but where this tradition come dey now? Who this tradition come hold now? Now this man this tradition supposed to hold, or now this woman the tradition supposed to hold? Because like I know say tradition dey when woman dey cheat, or especially this particular thing wey come get children. Well, maybe now the only person wey go fit answer this question now, wetin dey happen? Now this woman wey dey alive, she no dey suffer for anything, she get everything, but why she dey cheat on her husband? So viewers, if you love my video, if na the first time you wan look my video, go back, make you think, look this one when I talk, say nothing lasts forever. Lies in marriages is just like this also too. Just like this. How that woman, the man discover, say that child when the woman get from her, not his own. E not reach 3 years, no. E not reach like that. But I surprised why this one, not one, but two. And not even 1 year, not even 2 years, not even 3 years. So that thing, they very surprising. So viewers, if you love my video, just give me like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Thanks for now.